This is a question I get asked a lot. Lagos housewife, can I bake with my air fryer? The answer is a resounding yes. Air fryers are basically just small ovens with fans for air distribution. Whatever you can do in an oven, you can do in an air fryer. Only difference, use a lower temperature when baking. Like this healthy moist cake, if I were to bake it in an oven, I will set it to 180 degrees centigrade. But with this, I used 150. If you have an air fryer oven, instead of this pull-out basket type, use 160 degrees centigrade. And yes, you can also bake bread in the air fryer, as I showed you, and cookies and meat pies and biscuits and whatever else you want to bake. So next time you want to ask if you can bake a particular thing in the air fryer, pause and say out loud, whatever I can bake in the oven, I can bake in the air fryer. Good. Read the caption for the cake recipe and I'll see you again tomorrow.